All right, eating my sorrows away, so I will be adding chocolate chunks to my banana bread. This time I usually like to keep it healthy with chia seeds and flax seeds. No, chocolate chunks, my bananas, flour, sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and vanilla extract. Oh, and coconut oil. As usual, I did parchment paper to line my dish, and I still put coconut oil. You don't really need it. It'll slide out regardless, but I'm just a little extra. She smells good. Oh my gosh. Let it cool off. I might slice a piece. I don't know yet. Ooh, okay. I was gonna take a little slither, but she's real soft. Okay, you deserve all of this. Oh my god. Look at the chocolate chips or chunks, whatever you want to call them. Oh my gosh. The crispy edge. Y'all, it's so good. And I was a little scared because I was annoyed with that glass breaking. And you know you can't really cook when you upset because it just spills into the food. But baby, ooh, yes. I thought I was just gonna take a little slither. I'm definitely probably gonna eat like this whole row by the end of the night. Gotta do my nails real quick. I just got one of them crispy edges. All right, I'm done, y'all. I'm sorry. This is up.